Hello and welcome. This is part B of experiment 4, and in this part we will be demonstrating the working of this 8-bit adder, which and as well as this circuit can perform the addition as well as the subtraction. We have created this using two 7483 ICs, and I'll be demonstrating its working through some examples. So this is the first example which we will be taking. Here we are taking 21 and 33 and we'll be doing the simple addition, and we know that it should result in 54. So as we can see, the input A is 000 10101. So we can see the input A is 000 10101. Now B is 001 0 0001. B is 001 001 0 000 and then 1. Now the output should be 0011 0110, and we can see if we ignore the carry, so we can see that 0011 0110. So the output represents the 54 here, and we see that we are getting the results as expected. Now let's try another example. So I think we can try some the subtraction here. So let's try 83 minus 16. So 16 would be out B and 83 would be A. Here we can see that 83 is represented by 01 01 0011. So let's try and let's change that. So 83 is, since 83 is A, will be representing 01 01 0011. So 01 01 00 and 11. Now B is will be giving input to B as like its binary representation, and we need to take care that we don't give the 2's complement of that, because that will the circuit will take care of that, and it will convert the binary input of 16 to the corresponding 2's complement, and then it will add, provided that our mode is at high. So since we are doing the subtraction, we'll put mode in 5, give the mode as 1, and let's try to give the input B, which is 0001, and then rest of the other inputs are also 0. So 0001 and rest others are also 0. So our expected output should be 101 4 times 0 and then 11. So we can see that it is 101, and then we are getting this zeros 4 times, and then at the end we are getting 11, which is there it is matching, and yeah, so the output is as expected. Now let's try another example. Maybe we can try this one. So now we will be swapping A and B, and let's see what we get as output. So our B would become A and A would become B. So B is 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, and our A would become 16, which was 0 0 0 1, and then rest of them would be 0. So our corresponding output should be I think it should be 1 0 1 1 1 0 followed by 4 times 1 and then 0 1. So we will see, so 1 0 followed by 4 times 1 and then 0 1. So we are getting that, and since L1 is 1, that means the output is negative, because L1 represents the sign bit and there is no carry, right? So this is the overall functioning of this circuit. Thank you.